Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to have you here as usual, and today I'm going to be telling you why I decided to go the healthy way, why I decided to have a change of lifestyle to the healthy way, and how it has been. Thank you for joining me on this channel. If this is your first time, please click on the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you get notifications whenever a new video is posted every single week. So please do well to subscribe so you don't get to miss out of any of this value that I'm going to be bringing to you every week. Yes. So why did I decide to go the healthy way? It's been an amazing decision I took. It's been wonderful. Some years ago, I decided to go into it. Not like I just purposely bought. Okay, let me just give you a little story. After I had I think it should be my second daughter, I was looking for how to shed baby fat, and that was how everything started. And then it kept building on, and it's been an amazing journey. It has actually helped me become more healthier. In fact, I seldomly visit the hospital. So grateful to God for that, and I've been happy. It has made it to be more healthy, more happy, and I've been able to help me to also maintain a healthy weight. So this is what this journey has done for me and still doing for me. I want to let you know that it is not going the healthy way. It is not a one-off thing. So it's not something you just bump into. You have to transition. It's something you transition into. Do you understand? So that it doesn't be like a crash program and that you're like, oh, I don't think I can continue this thing. No, you have to. It's a transition. I also transited into it. So that is how it should be for you. So I'm going to give you, do you want to know my reason? I'm going to be giving you my reason why I decided to go the healthy way. Number one, to maintain a healthy weight. It is very important. Most people today are actually obese and fat, but they don't know it because they're just looking at their physical size. But your physical size doesn't actually tell you everything about your weight. So I actually went the healthy way to have a healthy weight, and step by step I've been able to achieve that. So number two, to actually stay free from chronic health issues. I tell you, we have the power to keep our body away from chronic health issues, and that is when you intentionally decide to go the healthy way. It has a lot of benefits. So going the healthy way, I decided so that I can stay free from chronic health issues, and it actually helped me a lot because I seldomly visit the hospital. I don't. So going the healthy way, eating healthy things, it has to do with your eating, your exercise and everything. It's going to help you stay free from, I'm already preaching. It's going to help you stay free from health issues. So that was part of why I decided to go the healthy way. And my third super reason for going the healthy way is actually to bring up a healthy family. A healthy family is a happy family. If your family is not healthy, you can't really be happy. You can't really be productive. So I actually want to create that legacy of a healthy family, and I see it coming to play. I see it coming to play in my husband, my children, and even those that come to visit around, of course. So I'm actually creating that healthy living legacy for my family. So these three reasons are actually, and fourth reason, yes, it's because to glorify God. I just had to put this fourth reason because our body is a temple of God, and then we need to take care of this body He has given to us. He won't be happy if He has given you a body and you don't take care of the body. So these are my reasons for actually going the healthy way, and I hope this will become great motivation for you to also pick it up. Going the healthy way isn't expensive, neither is it so complex. It depends on how you see it and if you have the right information. That is why staying close to this channel will give you very flexible ways on how you can stay healthy. So now it is your turn. Let me know in the comments if you're actually on a healthy journey, why you decided to start this healthy journey. And if you have watched this video and it has motivated you, tell me the reason why you are deciding to start this healthy journey. I'll be very, very happy to support you. If you actually need my support, you can get to me directly through the link in the information center. And I also have a free gift for you that's going to actually help you also on this journey. Free to click the link and you'll be able to download my free gift for you. And if this video has been super useful and helpful to you, feel free to share this to your friends and family. Information is actually powerful and you don't know who you'll be helping with this information, so feel free to share this. And yes, don't leave this channel without subscribing to my channel. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Do well to go to the next video because you're going to find it super helpful, super useful. Thank you so much and have a beautiful and a healthy day and week and month and rest of the year ahead. Bye.